Hello everyone, Lester from OmniPredict here. In today's video, we will be discussing CSV contacts upload, we will make a list, and we'll discuss a little bit about tags and segments also. By default, OmniPredict platform comes with one universal list. This master list comes inactive and you have to enter basic details to activate it. Basic details like about the address about your business, or if you're self-employed, your phone number, etc. This varies a little bit from region to region based on privacy settings. You can create also multiple lists if you want to organize practically into different segments, but you can do also the same thing by using tags. So for this example, I'm gonna go and create a simple list. So I'm gonna say like landing page. The default name will be Lester from OmniPredict. Here I'm gonna enter some demo data, Acme Inc. Let's say that this company is registered in London, so I'm gonna say 123 Oxford Street, London. Let's use also a local postcode. The country is United Kingdom, and a phone number just for testing purposes. And this is the email that I verified earlier for this account. And I'm gonna save the list now. So, great, that's the first step. We created our list. Now we're ready and good to proceed with the CSV import. I'm gonna click here on landing page. I'm gonna go to subscribers and I'm gonna click on import. We have to consent that this is a list practically. These subscribers, they signed up in your list somehow, either from paid advertising, either from a blog or something. Here you can click on next. Here you can select your list and you can click upload file for the importer to start. So for this exercise I have prepared the CSV file. I'm gonna import, has only 50 lists, and this is a process. So the first step, the import asks if we have a header. So the header practically is the first name, is if it is practically a match, a field that must be matched with our database, so like first name, last name, company name, etc. So here I'm gonna say that yes, we have. And here's the second part where we're coming, that we are matching practically the details. So this importer uses like some very basic AI and try to read basic like fields so they can be mapped with the database, but you can control also all the fields from this screen. You don't have to go somewhere else into the settings section, for example, and then come back. So this will save you a lot of time. So this is the first name. I'm gonna click confirm mapping. This is the last name. I'm gonna click confirm mapping. The company name. So by default, the database doesn't have company name. So I can scroll here and add a custom field that will be company name, and then I can match it. Address, same process. Confirm. This is the city. I can add custom city. Confirm. If I want to exclude something, I can just ignore this column. The same with the state, I'm gonna ignore it. I'll go with zip file. I'm gonna say yes, add custom zip. Here's the phone number. Sometimes you can have multiple fields, so you can select phone 1, for example. Confirm mapping. So we can ignore this column. Here, of course, we have email. We confirm mapping, and goes on. You can also create dynamically tags through the screen, and that's the process for mapping the fields. I'm gonna click on next. We can see here everything. If you have a very big file and sometimes you have problems with rows, you can click here so you can see if you have problematic rows. In this example, we don't have any rows with issues like missing a field. So for example, if a mandatory field like email, right, is missing, you can see directly here, and then you can ask also the importer practically to exclude this. And then you click on finish. Are you ready to submit? Yes. And that is the process. The import started. Now, depending on the size, it might take a few minutes for all the contacts to become available. Discussing about tags and segmentation. Tags is a very powerful tool. Can be used for automation, can be used for remarketing and other, like tools. So I always suggest when you are exporting contacts, for example, from your WooCommerce or your Shopify, it's better to prepare these files with tags upon import, so you don't have sometimes to re-import or manually do some work. Segmentation, again, Ideally, add as many fields as you need. So for example, if you want to have like a birthday reminder, an SMS delivery notification, try to pull as many data with your CSV files to have them ready. I'm going to provide also other tutorials for tags and segmentation, and you can watch them all in our channel. Thank you very much. As always, if you have any questions, always click on the bubble for the supporting. Thank you.